Hey guys, it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with a video. Woo! You haven't been in a video since Canterbury, perhaps? Obviously, Mark Bloom's schedule is not being great. This company called Snack Surprise, which I can't remember if I've heard of before, reached out to me on Instagram and they're like, sorry, my dad's making tea downstairs. They basically sent me a DM and they were like, hey, can we send you one of our boxes and maybe you could show it in a YouTube video? And I was like, do you know what? I love food. I've got a sister who also loves food. Yeah. So I feel like in like 2014, there used to be like a massive like trend of like trying American snacks. Oh yeah. Like, do you know what I mean? I feel like it'd be a really fun video to do. They sent me a Spanish snack box, which I love Spain so much. I did Spanish in GCSE, I just love Spain. They basically do different sizes of boxes. It's like a monthly subscription. So we're gonna try the snacks that are in here, do a little snack taste test. I thought it'd be fun. We might not like all of it, but that's the whole fun of it. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So we've got this, a little booklet, and it says, it's got all these facts about Spain, which is actually really cool. I think it's a nice touch, you know? You can like rate each one, which is really cool. I think I have this original box, so all of these. It's got a drink as well, which I'm really excited for. And then it's got some little home recipes, like Spanish recipes, which I just think is really nice, because you can kind of see like culture, like their food culture and stuff. This is what our box is looking like. Also, I got coffee on my sock. So I'll show you. So should we just start with the tops? This is what the box is looking like. The first thing we have, guys, is this. Now, whoever I know is eggs. Did you know that? I did not know that. They're fried egg crisps taste. I think they'll be fun to try. They just kind of smell like ready salted. I don't love eggs. I'm a bit like, if it smells of egg, I'm not gonna be. Oh, it doesn't smell of egg at all. It just smells like nice salted crisps. Oh my gosh, it looks literally like kettle crisps. Like they're really. That's what it smells like. Okay. Oh, it's eggy. Oh, God. They do taste like egg. I like it because I like eggs. This is called a Pantera Rosa. So obviously this is all in Spanish, which reading this. Pimp packed a soft cake filled with cream covered with a sweet pink sponge. Oh, it smells like a what's it? Like a fancy. Should we just take a bite each? I wonder if there'll be any Spanish people watching this. Oh, it does taste like a fancy. Just the big one. That's nice. It's not too thick. The what's it called, icing thing. Oh, that's like that. It's not dry. I like that one. Dad, have you got any cling film or anything?
Yeah. Well, then you ask while I'm on
well, you don't need it now. It's fine. We'll get it in a minute. Now. Should we try these? These are called fizz nuggets. Funny sweets and addictive, sour and tangy flavour. I feel, yeah, they remind me of like Millions or like Nerds. It's fun, it's finny. There's two things from this brand actually. There's cinema mix. Like Haribo. Taking thumbnails is gonna be the bane of taking thumbnails is gonna be the bane of my existence. Why are you touching me? Is that a good handful? Yeah. How do you eat these? Oh, down the hatch. Oh, they're good. They're basically like Nerds. Yeah. But fizzy. Fizzier? Actually, like I've had Nerds. Oh gosh, my ankle! I could have choked! You do. Did you seriously grab my ankle way under the table to do that? I feel like I've seen these. Yeah, they look nice. It's called a palmerita, one of Spain's favourite morning snacks. Crispy puff pastries. Ooh, yummy. I like me one of these, so let me some of that. I'd like some more now. She's having more. Yeah, it tastes a bit like a fossil. I think I've had this before when we were in Spain. Do you want any more? Yeah. That's a nice morning snack. I love that one. Water bottle. There's quite a few of these. Brown, sour, cherry flavoured jelly sweets covered with a crunchy layer of sugar. Wow. Let's find out. Sorry. I was just helping you out. Thanks. They look like little fizzy tomatoes. There you go. Oh my gosh, they're jelly sweets. I thought they were hard boiled. I don't usually like cherry, but that's quite nice. You don't like sweets? Yeah. If you like cherry sweets, they're really good. You ready for your favourite ones down there? Shut up! There's one I know that she's gonna really like. Let's try the ketchup crisps. These are called Jump It. It kind of looks like you. They're basically ketchup crisps. Oh, you're gonna love that one as well. Yep. Focus on what we do. Oh. Incredibly addictive taste of ketchup. Now you love ketchup. I love ketchup. So you're gonna like this. Should we give it a whiff first? Yeah, go on. Dad, do you want to try ketchup crisp? Oh, they smell like they smell like quavers. Yeah, they're like quavers. Ooh, yeah, it's like skips, but it's more tomato-y. It's not a very strong taste of tomato. It's like just like an undertone, so it wouldn't be over the top. Cute. Yeah, nice. Right then. I like this. Hey guys, how you doing, guys? Got this, but it's a size too big and it's really annoying me. When we went to Spain as kids, I always used to get like a Fanta Limon or like a Fanta Orange or just like any fizzy orange juice. And this seems to be Cas Naranja, which I know Naranja. Con gas, with gas. Yep. Intense citrus flavour, intenso sabor cítrico, muy nuestro, very something. Spain's own orange fizzy drink. You'll love the refreshing. You're not going to be able to say. So it's like a Spanish Fanta.
Drink it all now.
Oh, by the way, I was talking to Dad about going away to like somewhere in the UK if we help pay for it. He's like, we'll find a place to stay and we'll do it.
Oh my gosh, that's so dramatic. I can't deal. Yeah, if this was nice and ice cold.
Well, yeah, it's not very cold because
it's good for me.
It's been in my dad's car, so it's not very cold.
Yeah, it's
quite
nice.
a hot day. Let's try it.
Quite bang bang.
Ooh, that is nice actually. It's not too fizzy, like you said. I don't know if that's because it's been in the box for a week or so.
Maybe.
So I don't know if it's meant to be fizzier, but I really like it.
Yeah.
Either way. Oh, it's really refreshing. It's good for a day like this. It's been very hot recently.
Yeah.
So we've got Boca Bits. You're a bit of a Boca Bit.
Lay's, I remember this. Spain's most
Wheat-based.
Wheat-based.
Ooh.
It's delicious. Crunchy crisp chips. I keep saying crisp.
Savoury
meaty flavour.
Forma divertida, fun form. Divertida is fun, isn't it? They smell like...
You get a good portion size, like in this country. It does smell very meaty. It's like
what they
Twiglets.
Not at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. I think they're quite nice actually. We've got 3 more things to try, 2 of which are chocolate. We haven't tried any.
They're my favourite
chocolate bits, have we? And then we also have some more sweets. I think we should do chocolate, then sweet, then chocolate. Yeah. So we've got this Puestios, which is original, the divertido again.
This is one of the Spain's most loved chocolate bars. It has a cocoa and hazelnut filling sandwiched between crunchy wafers coated in milk chocolate.
That was me doing an advert while you spoke about it.
Excited, I'm excited.
Same colour as my nails.
Yeah, your nails are nice.
Apart from meant chips. I do gel nail polish by myself with it chips in like 2 minutes.
It's so violent.
Wait!
Oh, no!
It's alright, I'll have that bit.
Yeah, darker
okay.
inside.
We're doing
maybe
a thumbnail
it's more
though.
chocolatey.
Yeah, thanks for sharing, but we're doing a thumbnail.
Oh, can you stop doing that?
Why have you... Have you ever like laughed so much like when you're in the middle of drinking? We need to do that one with the tortilla and the...
Yeah, I know, I really want to do it.
We would be really good at that. Time out. Yeah, it tastes of like cocoa. Is it
chocolate
blue
in the middle?
ribbon?
What's it?
Blue ribbon, time out.
Something in the middle, like cocoa-y in the middle.
She's eating the rest, guys, that's
Sorry.
it.
Do you want some more?
I'm alright, thanks.
Good, I'll be having it then.
2 more bits left. So we've got cinema mix, just like Haribo kind of vibe. So let's try it. Banana. Oh no, it's a toe. It's a toe. What? You've got a bone. I've got a. I'm gonna get the weird looking toe. This is the toe. Show your one.
Mine's a bone.
Okay.
Oh my god. Haribos?
Yeah.
Haribos.
Very nice. They're just like your nice like classic sweets, you know what I mean? Last one. Now I think Helena's probably gonna really like this. I think I will as well. La Castios Chocolatina.
Chocolatina. It's one of Spain's most popular snack brands. This is their delicious chocolate bar filled with colourful chocolate sweets. So it's like Smarties.
It's quite a little mini one.
It looks like Kinder / Smarties. So this is right up my street.
Rallenta de leche. So leche is milk.
Yep.
Hope that
I
helps.
knew that one.
ASMR. Oh, look, a Smartie. A milky cream bit. Would you eat that a lot?
I'd eat that a lot. I'd buy that definitely.
It was cool because I like how they give you a description as well, because otherwise you might not know what something's meant to be.
Read the packaging.
I really want to learn Spanish fluently. That was everything. We do still have a few more of these little. Oh yeah.
That's a good way.
We do still have loads of these little cherry ones, which are fun to snack on. Yeah, it does say. Oh my gosh, that was such a good catch. It does say original box.
I like the vibe.
New country every month. Yeah. Tasty snacks from around the world. There's Snack Surprise UK on Facebook, Twitter, and Insta. I hope you enjoyed our little taste testing. Honestly, us and food works well. That's why mukbangs and things are just like our kind of vibe.
I really like both the chocolates.
Yeah, the chocolates were nice.
I like that pink thing.
Yeah, the Pantera. That's cake, I think, Pantera.
And those ketchup crisp things.
Yeah.
And that puff pastry things. quite a lot of them.
I just like how there's a good mix of everything. We both found stuff we liked. I did like the chocolate. That cake was really good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll be trying to upload soon. I want to film like day in the lives and stuff, but like I'm working a lot. That was all from us. Thanks for watching. Kisses and love, and I will see you in my next vid. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok and my fitness TikTok, Evie Fitness. Bye guys. See you later. Bye. Did you like the video?
I liked the video and I liked the
Mwah.